Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? Damn, so I just got to this Walmart and take a look at this, man. That's crazy. The M case or D case, I don't even know. But it is empty. Um, I had been going to some other Walmarts and they seem to be getting D cases. I think that's D case. But take a look here, man. This is the one I passed earlier on the previous video. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side because I am definitely gonna take these, and I seen some pallets over there, so I might just go ahead and take a quick look. But yeah, just give me 1 second because I think I seen a 72 car count. I just glanced at it. I just went straight to the toy section. But yeah, this is what it's known as pallet rating. That's the one I was talking about. Let me pull it out so I don't make a mess, and yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at that box. So little did I know, there's actually two. There's the codes. This is a different. So hopefully there's a one super. But let me get to it. Man, I'm like nervous. I never really get to do this pallet rating. But let's see how it goes. And this is for the D case. So it's gonna be this is a regular, but what you call this? Man, I'm so nervous right now. The T2 is the super. Hopefully, there is a super over here. Just because the first one did not have it, but it is a different code. So hopefully this one has a super or something, you know. And let's see, this is another regular, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip the boxes. And that one is the regular treasure hunt right there. But yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and flip boxes, and then I'll show you guys once I open them. Alright, so I'm on the other side of the boxes, and let's see what happens. Let me hold it with my let me hold the phone with my right hand. Yep, you can tell that I never get to do this. I am a bit inexperienced, but let's see. I don't know if you guys can take a good look, but yeah, I don't see a T2. So yeah, this is the D, and I don't see a T2 on this other side. But I'm gonna go ahead and open the other box, hopefully, and just hopefully. So let's see what all we got in here. Yeah, I don't see another T2. So it was just the regulars, two regular T2s, no supers, and the regular treasure hunts were the twin mills. But yeah, man, that's crazy. Let's see what the third box was. It was also a DM. Wait, that one's different from the other ones, I think. That one's a DM, VV, and a DM. So yeah, I think it was same, no supers on the box over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this bag over there and put them on the shelf and possibly take these boxes with me. So yeah, bear with me. And this is the first box that I had seen already here open. You guys can see the code 981 DM 2828 N2, which was the exact same one I found over there. 981D DM 2828 N2. This one did not have a super, and so my guess is this is the one that came in here with the also not being a super. And this one had no super. This is a code. But yeah, like I said, look at this. Here's the combi, or a bus, a BW bus. So I am gonna take this one for sure. And other than that, I don't see anything else new. I'm still on the hunt for the Fast and Furious, and well, more supers, I guess, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's about it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look. Hopefully there's a fourth. Nah, I'm pretty sure there is not gonna be, but I am gonna take a look. I am gonna take that box, and yeah, if I find anything, I'll just link it to the end of the video. If not, I'm just gonna cut it here, and then good luck to you guys on your hunt, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, that's about it. What else? Yeah, other than that, I mean, the premiums are the regular old ones. Nothing new. Nothing new. So yeah, I also checked the M2s, and same, pretty much nothing new. All these old stuff. But yeah, man. Alright, see you guys in the, just stay tuned.